Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to insert a scorecard in Google Data Studio. This scorecard is nothing but a display of a single piece of information which will be very useful to the end user. Let's see how to do it. Okay, first this is the home page of our new report. Now I'm going to click add the chart and click scorecard here. Okay, when I'm clicking scorecard here, so this is the scorecard which is entered. So this we are dealing with the Bangalore COVID data. So this is the master Excel sheet containing the details of the COVID patient. Okay. So this scorecard is showing us the total number of patients in Bangalore on based on the data set we have. Okay. So first I rename this record count. First in order to rename, on the right side I have my working panel. So I'm going to rename this as total number of patients, or I can write number of COVID patients. Okay, yes. So this is a number. So I'm just clicking this. This is number of total number of COVID patients. Okay. Now I can set this is based on the entire sheet. So there are 49,999 patients in my source data. Okay. Now I wanted this Google Data Studio to show the scorecard only for a certain specified time period. How to do it? We can do it here. Okay. So custom. This default date range, I'm setting it as custom, and I'm going to set it as April 1, 2020 to April 30, 2020. Okay. So the total number of COVID patients in April 2020 is 94. Okay. So now what are the other options I have? I can compare it with the previous time period. See, here there's an option called comparison date range. Okay. So if suppose I want to compare with the specified time range, I can do it. In this case, I'll compare with the previous month. Okay. So previous month is the previous period. So the period we already chose is April 2020. So previous period of April 2020 is we selected from April 1 to April 30, 2020. So the previous period would be March 1 to March 31st. Okay. March 1 to March 31st, 2020 we are selecting. Okay. Now you can notice that this automatically compares the data with March 2020. So comparing to March 2020, the number of cases in April 2020 has increased by 113%. Okay, this is how comparison works. Okay, similarly, you can choose any date range for your data. Okay, next, what are the styling options? Okay, this is not so attractive. So how to make it more attractive? Okay, so I can there are different options. Okay, first number of digits. Okay, if suppose this is not a number of patients, maybe this is the total revenue, then there might be answer coming in cents or in paise. In such cases, how to restrict the number of decibels, I can decide here. Okay, I can set it as auto, or I can set it manually here. Okay, and then comparison metric. In case there is positive change, what should be the color? Green. Let it be green itself. Negative change, let it be red itself. Okay, if you want, you can change it accordingly. And what to show, if there is a missing data, that also you can change according to your convenience. Okay, and all these are just aligned towards the left. So if you want, you can align to the center or to the right side depending upon your convenience. Okay, and you can do the aesthetic works. You can decorate it as per your wish. Okay, I can have a blue color, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so these are the various styling options which are present, which you can do. Okay, so this is how we insert a scorecard and edit the settings accordingly. So anything, not only the number of COVID patients, you can there are various dimensions which you can use for displaying a scorecard. Okay, I hope this will be clear. We'll see how to use different kinds of charts in the next video.